From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Hump Day. I'm Tyler Hughes with your Campus Weather Service forecast for this Wednesday, and let's take a midweek look on our live camera here at Beaver Stadium. You can see there's still some patches of snow on those grassy soccer fields, but you can also see the grass a little bit, and that's because we've had those temperatures above freezing overnight continuing to melt that snowpack, a temperature of 34 degrees right now at our weather station that's on top of the press box there at Beaver Stadium. So in our weather headlines for today, it's certainly going to be a winter warm-up with highs climbing into the 50s by Friday. And you know, it was a little difficult to pick one image to put in this box because there's not going to be much sunshine. The clouds are actually going to be what's driving some of this warmth over the next few days. A blanket of clouds and a rainy pattern as well. Rain chances continuing through the weekend, and we'll see that in the futurecast. However, next week, I think we will see some peaks of sun, and we'll return to a much milder pattern for this time of year. We are having some visibility issues in parts of the state as well this morning. Let's take a live look on our camera at the Grape Research Extension in Erie, and you can see there is a low cloud deck, visibility improving in Erie at this hour, but you can see in other parts of the Northwest, there are some areas of pretty dense fog at this hour. A 2-mile visibility in Bradford, visibility down to less than a mile in Franklin. So we expect this fog to burn off over the next hour or two. In general, temperatures out there this morning are in the middle to upper 30s and even into the 40s in the western part of the state. We're already up to 42 in the Steel City this morning, 36 in Philly, and 38 in Williamsport as well. On the live radar, you can see a few showers making their way through the region. Again, it's not a guarantee that any of these are necessarily making it to the ground here, but what I do want to point out is that in some of the higher elevation spots up through the Poconos and the higher elevations there, they are experiencing some freezing rain. We did have a couple of reports of freezing rain in upstate New York. So that's something you may want to look out for over the next hour or so. There may be a couple of slick spots in areas where it's locally cooler and the ground is just below freezing as some of these, drizzly showers make their way through. Rain is going to ramp up as we head into later this afternoon and this evening, though. Take a look at the futurecast. You can see by lunchtime, we're almost up into the 40s here in State College, the warmest it's been so far this week, but the rain is arriving on our doorstep already in full swing in the western part of the state. By the time we get into the afternoon, rain pretty much over the majority of Pennsylvania, and that'll continue through to this evening with heavier pockets of downpours here and there as well. Temperatures will begin their climb overnight also. You can see by 5 a.m. tomorrow, we're up into the 40s. And I think tomorrow morning will bring a brief lull in the rain before rain returns around lunchtime, especially for southern and central Pennsylvania. These rain showers are going to continue. Another burst of heavier rainfall will come in late tomorrow evening into early Friday morning. You can see temperatures here are definitely above freezing, so this is an all-rain event. No snow, no mixed precipitation to speak of, but we will certainly be getting a good amount of rain from this. So you can see Thursday is our highest rain chance over the next couple of days, and then our next rain threat comes in Sunday, and you'll see that here on our extended outlook. Now, this is just one model's depiction of what this storm could look like, but you can see Saturday at 11 p.m., rain starts to make its way into central Pennsylvania. It's widespread over Pennsylvania overnight Sunday into Sunday morning and continues through to around, most of the day really on Sunday. 6:30 rain fully across the state of Pennsylvania here. And once we swing around to the back side of that front, you can see there may be some snow showers Monday morning as well. So this evening here in State College, I think showers will continue, patchy fog possible as well. But again, like this morning, it'll burn off within a couple of hours after the sun comes up. Temperature of 37 degrees this evening. Tomorrow, a temperature of 46. Rain and the heaviest will be in the evening hours. Calm, though, in terms of wind. When we take a look at the rest of the 7-day forecast here, notice those rain chances, folks, are continuing through to Sunday. We do have that snow shower possible Monday morning for some of us, especially up on those higher elevations. But the good news is we'll see the sun next week as well. For Campus Weather Service, I'm Tyler Hughes. Have a great rest of your Wednesday.